Havells has recently launched a really cool product, Havells Steamor Multicook Kettle. It's not just a regular kettle. This one can make you noodles, tea and even idlis. And you need not require 3 different vessels anymore. Let's check it out and see what makes it special. This is how the product looks, which is neat, compact and stylish. It comes in nice blue color with a clear glass lid and a cool touch handle. The overall size is small. It has a capacity of 1.2 liters, so it easily fits on your kitchen counter or office table or even on your hostel rooms. Inside the box, you will get a main kettle along with a steamer tray, an egg boiling stand, along with an idli plate. This is not just a kettle, it's like a mini cooking set in one. It runs on 600 watts of power, which is perfect for your daily use. And the best part is, it has 3 power settings: low, high and maximum. You can easily adjust the heat depending upon what you're cooking. The main highlight of this kettle is lightweight and super portable. You can easily carry to your office, hostel or even while traveling. Let's boil some eggs. I have poured little water, placed the egg tray and kept few eggs on the top. Within few minutes, you can see the steams are rising and the eggs are boiled perfectly. Next, I am trying with sweet corn. Adding a corn, little of water, closing the lid. Repeating the same process with the sweet corn. Within few minutes, it is steamed perfectly. This steamer will be useful for your quick evening snack. And repeating the same process for the rice. The rice is cooked perfectly and there is no sticky or burnt marks on the rice. And this will be total lifesaver for the students or bachelors in the hostel rooms. And we also have idli steaming set, and you could make a perfect idlis on the steamer. You could also make tea, noodles, soups and many more on the steamer. And for the safety and the durability, it has overheat sensor and dry boiling protection. And finally, to conclude this, if you are a person looking for a small and a smart gadget which can boil, steam and cook anywhere, then Havells Steamor is a great pick for you. And this product carries a warranty of 1 year and also comes with home service to have a peace of mind. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.